This is our last morning with a bum gun. Everything is about to change.
Hey there, this is the Daily Taste and you're in for a treat today.
Yes, it is our last day in Singapore and we are going up to Spago at the top of the Marina Bay Sands Hotel.
That's that hotel way in the background there that you can barely see, right there.
It kind of looks, oh, let's see if I can point to it. That one right there that looks like...
Kind of looks like a spaceship right there.
Yeah, it looks like a spaceship or like buildings with a surfboard on top. You've seen it a million times. So anyways, we're headed up top.
Yep.
To the Wolfgang Puck Bar and Lounge up there,
The
Spago. And we get another chance to visit with our son, who we're having so much fun with.
Yep.
And
then we get to cruise.
Wait. And then we're gonna go see the beautiful light show down in the bay. So, yes, enjoy this day with us, but there's more.
There's more. Starting tomorrow, we'll be boarding the Carnival Panorama.
It's a repositioning cruise from Singapore to Los Angeles, 25 days. We stop in Vietnam, Malaysia, Guam, the Philippines, Hawaii for 2 days.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna have a ton of fun, see some cool stuff, but you are gonna have to follow us over on Cruise Through Retirement to see it.
Yep.
So head over there right after this video and be sure you subscribe. We'll link the channel at the end of this video. You can just go right to the channel and subscribe.
Hey, can we go get some yummy drinks?
Heck yeah.
The lovelocks of Siberia and Paris. And why not here?
Siberia?
No, Serbia.
You just said Siberia.
All right, so I can't read. That's kind of cool. Are they dresses or are they just stone? So on the sidewalk, we have a bicycle lane. And the fun part about this bicycle lane is it goes straight into the mall. And you just cycle right in. So as we're walking along downtown here, I don't know if we're downtown, we're somewhere in the town. It's starting to feel a little like Universal Studios should be around here. We checked. They actually do have a Universal Studios in Singapore. Raffle City. Well, I'm glad we're at Raffle City because it's looking like rain's a-coming. We better hurry up and get inside. Well, we came to the mall and we found...
Our people.
So this is a wine shop and we're looking to see what we can buy to take on the cruise.
Dry German Riesling.
Ooh, I like that.
For 25.
That might be a possibility because everything else is...
Yes. Look for the green ones.
Look for the green ones.
Green labels are on sale.
It's not upstairs?
There's a sign that says what.
What are we doing?
Doing our life. Going to places we can't afford.
Ah, okay. Wow. So, this is one of those great malls that you need to watch. You come here. One watch shop. Another watch shop. Not gonna lie, I saw a Rolex shop a few minutes ago. And the mall itself looks like the inner workings of a watch.
I don't think the prices are going to be the same as in Bali. What do you think?
No, negative. All right, so you come to Singapore and you're thinking, oh crap, I forgot some stuff. Well, they got lots of malls here, a lot of them. But sticker price, wow.
Oh yeah, our favorite machine right outside our hotel.
Singapore has these glorious fresh orange juice machines. We love them.
They make it right here while you're waiting. See it in there?
Not quite sure what it's doing yet, but it's...
Well, it sent some oranges. I don't know either, but this is interesting. They also have live sugarcane juice. Oh yeah, you can see the cane right here, how they shred it. Interesting. You can see that on our street food tour of Hoi An, Vietnam, where we had sugarcane juice.
One fresh orange juice.
Is that for me?
That's for you, baby.
Now you can get one.
I want to get a fresh beer.
Oh,
Is happy
I don't think they make that custom for you. And off we go to Spago to have some appetizers and a cocktail and a great view from the Marina Bay Sands. Yeah.
Spago? Okay.
I'm gonna let Dad sit in the middle so he can hear. Those are very cool. It's cool being about halfway up to take the picture. Quite a climb though. Okay, there's the cruise ships. We're getting on one of those tomorrow. Okay, so now we got off the bridge. We went down the elevator on this side to floor number 1, and we are walking through to get out to the light and music show.
Maybe. That science museum over there. Well, I hope you enjoyed that evening. It was yummy. Now, head on over to the Cruise to Retirement and join us over there. Subscribe, like it, and we'll get going on the Panorama Cruise.